In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your Trello board background. Start by opening your web browser and heading to Google. In the search bar, type Trello and press Enter. Click the official Trello website from the results. If you're not already signed in, go ahead and log in so you can access your boards. Once you're in Trello, open the board where you want to update the background. You can do this by clicking the board's tile from your home or workspace view. With the board open, look toward the top right of the screen and click the three dots to open the board options. This is where Trello keeps quick settings and customization tools for your current board. From that menu, select Change Background. A panel will slide out with options to personalize the look of your board. If you want something fast and polished, choose Photos. Trello includes a collection of images you can browse, often sourced from high-quality libraries. Click any photo thumbnail to instantly apply it to your board. You can try a few and see what feels right. The change is immediate and reversible. A quick tip here. Pick images with softer textures and good contrast so your lists and cards stay easy to read. If you prefer to use your own image, you can customize it further. Go to the Custom section in that same panel. Click the plus sign to upload from your computer. Select a photo from your files, confirm, and wait a moment for the upload to finish. Trello will apply the image to your board automatically. For best results, choose a high-resolution image with a landscape orientation, avoid overly busy patterns, and make sure you have the rights to use the image. If text on your cards becomes hard to read, try a cleaner photo or a darker, more uniform background. Keep in mind that some workspaces may have permissions that limit custom uploads. If you don't see the custom option, you may need to check with your admin. And remember, changing the background won't affect your lists or cards. It's purely visual, so you can experiment freely and switch back at any time. That's all you need to do. Open Trello, head into your board, use the three-dot menu to select Change Background, then either pick a photo from the gallery or upload your own through Custom using the plus sign. Make a choice that keeps your board readable and reflects your style, and you're set. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your refreshed Trello board.